Whoa. Hey, what did that rooster say when he was all blown up by the TNT and picking his feathers up outside that hen house?
Fortunately, boy, I keep my feathers numb for just such an emergency. Can we go soon?
Mr. Coles gave me $1 to cut the whole pile and not half. Go on ahead, JR. Catch a fish.
A worm on a hook. And drop it in a brook. If things go right, you'll fry some fish tonight.
Where you been? Where you been? Pull that pole now. Get in the car. Get in the car.